In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use the workflow-oriented dashboard in Artistly AI. The workflow-oriented dashboard is designed to help you move faster by organizing your tools, projects, and editing process in one place. First, start by selecting the type of project you want to create, like thumbnails, social media content, character designs, or marketing visuals. This helps keep your workflow more organized from the beginning. Next, use the dashboard sections to move step by step through your creation process. You can generate images, edit them, upscale quality, and save styles without jumping between random menus. One of the biggest advantages is speed. Instead of restarting every time, the dashboard keeps your tools and recent work easily accessible, so you can continue projects more efficiently. You can also save prompts, style settings, and consistent characters to streamline future projects and maintain visual consistency. As your workflow improves, you'll spend less time searching for tools and more time creating better content. And that's basically it. Thank you for watching this video. Please feel free to use the affiliate link in the description.